The 2007 Explorer Sport Track. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.